Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a video with you one day early because today is a National Hugging Day. This day was first celebrated in Michigan on January 21st, 1986. And to celebrate, obviously, I wanted to make something, right? It's a hug day after all. So we're gonna be making hug emoji cookies. I'm gonna show you two designs and now let's get started. So here are the cookies. You can see that I used two cookie cutters for each design. First, I used the round cutter and then I cut out hands using a hand cutter. And for the second design, I ended up using a small Easter egg cutter. So once you have your cookies made, we can decorate with fresh lemon royal icing. I'm starting with yellow royal icing, 15-second consistency. To color this icing, I used lemon yellow food coloring and I also added a touch of orange. If you don't know what 15-second consistency means, be sure to check the description box under the video. There is a link to a tutorial that explains it. The icing and then let it dry. Now take your paper template and edible marker and transfer the outlines for the eyes and the mouth on your cookie. Use black royal icing, about 20-second consistency, and while still wet, use your needle tool to shape the icing. Now with the same yellow royal icing, outline and flat the hands. And after this, we're gonna have to let this dry. I'm using petal dust and dry food only paintbrush, adding a little bit of color to the cheeks, and then we're gonna have to let the icing dry completely. I'm going to paint the cookie, so we're gonna need a paintbrush, and I'm just using a little bit of water dampening the paintbrush. And instead of food colors mixed with vodka, I am using edible marker and then using the dampened paintbrush to blend it in. For the second design, I am using a paper template, an edible marker to outline the hands, we're going to repeat that on the other side as well. Just flip your template. Now take light gray royal icing, piping consistency, and outline the hands. Then take 15-second consistency white royal icing and flood the hands. Use your needle tool to distribute the icing evenly. And then I'm going to let this crust for about 20 minutes or so. Once crusted, we can start with yellow royal icing, 15-second consistency. I'm going to let that dry, and then using the same paper template and edible marker, we can transfer the outlines for the eyes and the mouth, and then starting again with 20-second consistency black royal icing, make the eyes and the mouth. Now take pink royal icing and make the cheeks. And the last thing is the painting. So we're just going to follow the same technique like we did on the previous cookie, using lightly dampened paintbrush and orange food coloring pen. And there you have it, 2 hug emoji cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hug someone today, because sometimes a hug is all you need to make you feel better. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.